Hey, what's up, folks? This is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. Today's video is going to be all about Nervos Network and the CKB Byte or CKB Token. So I've been following this one for a few weeks now, ever since it showed up in Voyager. I like the price point on it. I kept looking into it. They posted an interview with Kevin Wang in the Voyager blog, which I read. Found that interesting, and I've been thinking for a while I needed to do a review and price prediction on CKB, which I'm finally getting to today and I'm very excited about. So, very interesting project. I didn't know a whole lot about it beforehand, but I have been tracking this chart, and I did buy in over the weekend and pick some up when it was red. And you know me, I like to buy on red, right? So, as always, we're going to be doing a thorough review. I'll tell you who the founders are. We'll see where this project is headed and where we think this price may end up by the end of 2021, so stick around for that. All right? Now make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you click the bell, you'll be made aware whenever I post time-sensitive content just like this. And now, let's get it going. So what is Nervos Network? Well, Nervos Network is your universal passport to blockchain. That's it in the simplest form. So it is an open source public blockchain ecosystem and collection of protocols creating the foundation for a universal internet-like public network. Now, Nervos actually has a Yes You Can campaign and YouTube video, which is actually pretty funny. I'd highly recommend checking it out on their website at nervos.org. On that video, the campaign, as I said, is Yes You Can, and they answer the following questions. You can't create an app on one blockchain and reach users in every blockchain. Answer, yes you can. I bet you can't use one crypto of your choice and one interface to interact with every single blockchain. Answer, yes you can. You can't port your code to every blockchain. Answer, yes, you can. So you kind of see where that's going. Kind of funny. And by the way, the commercial is actually pretty funny the way they have it laid out, so highly recommend you checking that out. Now, Nervos basically solves the problem of segregation by building on one blockchain and reaching every blockchain. Now, Nervos is secure and decentralized. It is sustainable store of value, and layer 1 built for layer 2, meaning Layer 1 blockchain can focus on being secure, neutral, decentralized, and open public infrastructure, while Layer 2 networks can be specially designed for unlimited speed and flexibility, which can then connect into the secure, permissionless, and decentralized Layer 1. So really interesting. So this is a proof of work concept similar to Bitcoin, but then it offers Layer 2 solutions all in one. So, neat project. Now, for the roadmap, look no further than the following image, which shows 2018 through 2021. The plan in 2021 is for more tools, applications, and users. The biggest item in 2021 is the Force Bridge, which connects other blockchains like Ethereum to Nervos. So that's a really big deal. The Force Bridge simplifies the process because users or developers only have to deploy the ERC20 contract to begin the movement of assets to a user or a decentralized application, as the bridge supports ERC20 contracts automatically. Now, additional items for 2021 include releases, extensions, launches, protocols, smart contract language, Tippy, and payment and state channels. Now, for a little background, Nervos was founded by, we have Terry Tai, Kevin Wang, and Daniel Love. Now, all are well established in the China blockchain space, which is one of their sales pitches, access to Asian markets like China and South Korea, though they also have a growing presence in Latin America, Russia, and the US. So this is another worldwide project. Now, just some of their partners and investors include, we have Sequoia, Polychain Capital, Blockchain Capital, Cumberland, Multicoin Capital, Huobi, and more. So, let's talk token. Now, the CK Byte, or CKB, is the native token of Nervos Network that is intended to be a store of value like Bitcoin, as well as a value token behind smart contracts like Ethereum. So it serves two purposes. Now, Nervos offers the Nervos DAO, which lets you lock in CKB in order to receive rewards. So this is sort of a solution similar to staking in a proof of stake ecosystem. Now, any viewers out there who have locked in your CKB, leave it in the comments what the process is like and how it's going. So it's sort of hard to get a clear understanding on this from the outside, but I know somebody watching this video has already done this, so leave it in the comments so other people can know, all right? Now, just some of the exchanges where you can find CKB are here, alongside Voyager. So referral links in the video description. If you follow the link, you get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you support the channel with $25 of Bitcoin. So big thanks, and get your referral bonuses, right? Now, there are also multiple wallets which support CKB, just some of those visible here in this image. Now, as of today's recording, 4/12/21, Nervos was ranked 110 with a market cap of $716 million and trading at 0.02907. Total supply of this coin is 31.6 billion, while circulating supply is 24.6 billion, or roughly 78%. Now, if we insert the chart here, you can see in 2020, CKB went from 0.007112 to 0.003772, or a drop of 53%. In 2021, though, this is a completely different story, where it's moved from 0.004103 to 0.02907, or a 7x. So if it maintained the same rate of growth, it would 25x on the year and be valued somewhere around 10 cents, moving market cap to 2.6 billion, placing it around number 48 in the top 100. Now, my price prediction, I think it could do a little bit better than that. So my prediction is from anywhere between a 5 to 9x by the end of the year, placing it somewhere between 14 and 26 cents. If there's one thing I've found in the crypto market, we don't like it when things just go to 10 cents. We want to see it break through, right? So I don't doubt that it could break some of these marks. Whether it holds them or not, to be seen, but I think it could possibly hit those targets. Now, what I like about this project includes the Force Bridge, which allows Nervos to connect any chain to it. I like the Asian market pitch. There are going to be a lot of projects out there that could be interested in that alone. Huge market. I like that CKB is readily available. You can buy this one all over the place. And it's at a price point that's appealing to most buyers. So I like that. Now, the only con I see is sort of inherent, that because the project is proof of work, there are no staking rewards. However, if you set up your coins with the Nervos DAO, you should essentially be able to accomplish the same result. So don't forget that. Now, if we insert one more chart on CKB now, you can see CKB is at the moment holding the trend lines. To be determined if this continues to hold or if it downtrends a little bit. Now, MACD has been trending bearish for about a week, is visible here. And the RSI was trending down, but it's sort of right where we want it. So could we have a bounce from here? It is possible. Time will tell, right? Now, as I mentioned earlier, you know I like to buy on red. In full disclosure, I picked up some CKB a couple days ago. I had a little bit before that, but not much. I picked up a little more a few days ago. So I kind of like this project. You know, I liked reading the interview with Kevin Wang, as I mentioned, that was on the Voyager blog. I love the projects that bridge everything together, that bring it all together. And that's what this one is doing. It's connecting everybody. So that bridge that they have that connects all the blockchains, awesome, right? So there are definitely solutions here for this one. I think the Asian market is a great sales pitch. So I do see this one going up, folks. So that's it for today's review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. As always, don't forget that I am also on Twitter at KIR Finance, where I'm tweeting and retweeting on a regular basis. And just over the weekend, I gave you some picks that I thought would do great this week. Not sure if anybody saw those, but I'm just throwing it out there. For a friendly reminder, this is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. And I will see you on the next one. Later.